Because of so many external influences and also internal turmoil, we have so much baggage from our previous lifetimes. So, and we are not sure where we are coming from, right? When Srila Prabhupada, he was trying to resolve some issues amongst devotees, and they came up to him, and Srila Prabhupada said, you're not sure whom you're dealing with. What if they had been demigods in their previous lifetime? Just look around yourself, look around each other. Wow, this must be a demigod from a previous lifetime. So for the moment, the way that devotees looked at each other changed. So we are not sure where we are coming from. We could have been coming from another planet. We could have been coming from another country on this planet. So all that baggage is there. The impressions are there. Yes? So there is internal turmoil. There's so much of internal. Our consciousness is in such a state of constant flux. We are really not sure moment to moment what is it that we really want. Correct? I mean, some of us may want to have some better situation financially, and as soon as there is even a samosa on the street, you know, the 20 rupees comes out for a samosa. Otherwise, one would want to save that 20 rupees. We are not really sure exactly what we want. Yes. So, because of this constant turmoil that is within, and this is an issue that many of us face, many moments in our life. And the external environment, the focus always is on secondary qualities, on secondary things. The reason is because they are so numerous. So rather than have a good wholesome meal, one will look at so many items of fast food. So rather than have nice 4 bhakris and with little chutney, because that provides your vitamins, it provides you the necessary element for igniting your fire, and the bhakri gives you your carbs and your proteins. So you have your carbs, you have your proteins, you have your vitamins, and if you have milk, then you get your fats too, along with the proteins. But rather than do that, one will go shopping, mall shopping, buy something that is with added vitamins, buy something else that has added minerals, buy something else that has added this and added that. Why is that? Why is there is so much expansion of consumable items in this world? Because those are the secondary features that people focus on, and the primary essential quality which is very explicit, concise, and the most necessary, that gets pushed to the background. That gets completely pushed to the background. Now that is what Yudhishthira Maharaj was trying to do. So in the lectures, we kind of say that Arjun was surrendered to Krishna, and Yudhishthira Maharaj had a moment of confusion. So is that the primary thing? No. Can secondary things be discarded? No. However, one must be focused on what is the primary attribute. So the primary attribute is Krishna is all attractive, without a doubt, whether we know it or not.